Chapter 43, Part 2. At home, my mother waited for my grandfather and me under the guava trees near the compound's entrance. The air was cool after the rain. Rotten guavas lay scattered near her feet, and from the garden, steam rose into mist, drifting softly above the ground like pale apparitions. The smell of garlic and fried food lingered in her clothes as she hugged us to her. I noticed a thick envelope in her hand. "Guess what?" she cried. "We got our visas. In 3 months, we'll go to Saigon to be interviewed at the American Embassy. Kian, at last, those countless hours you have spent at the community center for their signatures have paid off. Tonight, we'll celebrate our good fortune with a decent meal." Lightheaded from the unexpected news, I handed her the necklace. My happy tears tasted bitter at the tip of my tongue. My mother examined the chain. "What is it?" she asked. "It's from Luan. She said to return it to you. We just came back from her trial." My mother looked at my grandfather and said sadly, "Oh, Daddy, I am so sorry." My grandfather raised his hand to interrupt her. "Please don't be," he replied, limping away into his room. "It isn't anybody's fault." "Mom," I said, "what are you going to do with it?" She replied without hesitation, "We'll sell it to raise money for the trip to Saigon. What else would you want me to do with it?" "You can sell the necklace," I suggested, "but can I keep the jade? It's the only thing left for us to remember Luan." My mother frowned. "Are you sure that is what you want?" I nodded. "Okay," she sighed, separating the jade from the golden chain and handing it to me. "Take it now before I change my mind. But if you lose it, may the gods help you, because I won't be so understanding at your excuse."